see it's almost there. So those are the veggies. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Our fire is ready, as you can see. So what I will do, I'll spread it. Yeah, that's good. Put that one on top. Brilliant. Yeah. So guys, today what we are going to cook is white bone, as you can see there. So that's white bone, and we're going to grill that. Yeah. And we also got veggies, as you can see here, guys. We got a lot of veggies. So we'll cook the veggies as well. So first, we're gonna put the veggies in the middle. Yeah, that's good. And then we're gonna put the meat on the side. Apply the salt. A lot of salt, guys. Yeah. And also the spices, as you can see there. Yeah. Yeah. And the barbecue smoke. Yeah. Yeah, that's enough. So good. So I'm toasting the veggies. Yeah. As you can see, it's almost there. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. And I need to flip this steak. Look at this, how brilliant it's cooking. Yeah. Juicy, and it's so nice. Yeah. Yeah, so this is ready. As you can see, the chili is all cooked as well. Yeah, it's all ready. I put that away. Yeah. And then in the middle, we're gonna put a corn. Yeah. So that's the corn. Yeah. Just have to flip it. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, guys, look how it is cooking. So amazing. All right. I need to remove the corn cob. Yeah. Wow. It's the corn. Oof, it's hot. Ouch. Oof. That's hot. Yeah. Put it back into the garden. It's gonna turn into manure. Yeah. All right, guys. Our steak is ready. So I will take it away. As you can see, so beautiful. Yeah. And look at that. It's cooked properly. It's so good, guys. Look, amazing, yeah? So nice. Yeah, that's good. And we got the veggies as well. So yeah, I'll put that on the side. And I'll put the veggies here. Yeah. So those are the veggies. Yeah. All right, guys, this is our steak with veggies. Yeah. How amazing is that? And guys, thank you very much. And thank you for watching the video. In case you're new to the channel, please do subscribe down below and also give a comment. Until next time, bye-bye.